In this video, I am going to discuss about what is the child selectors. In this program or in this HTML file, I have the in the body I have the some div tags and some paragraph tags. Here, first paragraph tag. After that, one div tag. Div tag contains the 3 paragraph, and after that one paragraph. After that one div tag. Div tag contains the one h1 and 3 paragraphs. Finally, last one paragraph, after that button is there. Now, what is the use of child selector is, first I want to change the color of the first child. For example, in this body, this paragraph is the first child for body. In the div, this paragraph is the first child. And in this div, actually in this body we have the 3 paragraphs, this one and this one. In this first P is the first child, in this div this one is the first child, in this div H1 is the first child. Okay, so now I want to change the first child color. This contains the first hyphen child selector. P colon first hyphen child means within the paragraphs that contains the first child is color change into the green. So here in this code, these two body para 1 and div para 1 is changed the color into the green. Why? Because of this one is not changed, because of in this div the first child is the h1 element, so this one is not changed. Okay, so if you want to change the every tag first child into the color green, at that time use the first hyphen type selector. First hyphen type selector is changed the color into the paragraph color into the green. So now observe the output. So here body para 1, div 1 para 1 and div 2 para 1 is changed the color. Like that way we have the last child selector is there. Using the last child we can change the last child colors. In this program we have the how many last childs are there. This one is the last child and this one is the last child and this one is the last child, but in the body this one is not the last child because of button property is there, button element is there. So observe the output. So only div 1 para 3 and div 2 para 3 is changed the colors. Body para 3 is not changed the colors. If you want to change the body para 3 color also, at the time go for the last of type property. Last hyphen of hyphen type property. Sorry, selector. So now div 1 para 3, div 2 para 3 and body para 3 colors are changed into the green. We have the one more selector is there, nth child property. Using the nth child property we can change the colors of the paragraphs. Here first observe the output. Now go for the refresh the page and click me. Here body para 1 and div 1 para 1 colors are changed because of in this body this one is the first child and in the div this one is the first child. In the div this one is not the first child, this one is the second child. So use the property, use the index value is 2. Now observe the output. So div1 para 2 and div2 para 1 is changed the colors into the green. And we have the nth last child property, nth last child selector, nth last child selector. Now observe the output. So only div1 para 3 and div2 para 3 colors are changed into the green. And only child property is to change the only, no, first of all observe the output. Only child property is not working here, and P only of type. So these two child selectors are not working here. So like this way we are using the child selectors in our jQuery. Thanks for listening.